Sorkar TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ki sangma kelai potri unailur ara cara pusan ulong mukum ke Sorkar kemajing Kyrshan satya ke jing temu jang ke Sorkar pedeng benti uranium hapu ke Jela Meghalaya. Hagajing kram bikilar sai kubor Konrad ulong ke Sorkar Jela kan sapha ke jing Thoh ke Sorkar pedeng bukan pendam no ke office memorandum bela penmi dangshan daga Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on the lapuli benya ikikindon an.
See, as a government, we have made our stand very clear that our people and our community and stakeholders, we have always stated, even as a government, that we are not in favor of mining of uranium. We're very, very, very clear on that. And we've made this statement very openly, and I'm making it open now also. Number two, I've not gone through the entire details of what the notification. In general, I have, but these are very serious matters, and hence it requires proper legal scrutiny. So we are going through that, and based on what we see, we will seek clarification from Government of India, and as and when required, I will take up the matter with Government of India at different levels and ensure that the interest of our people is protected. So therefore, this is a responsibility of our government, and if we find anywhere that there is any particular law or any particular notification that goes against the interests of our people, it is a duty of the government to take up that matter with the center. And I can assure you and assure the people of the state that we will be standing with the people on this issue, and we will take up the matter once we have seen the entire legal aspect of it and the impact of this. And once we are clear, we will move to Delhi, and if necessary, as I said, we'll take up the matter at the highest level.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Kyrshan Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.